Right now we're going to go ahead and start prepping the wheel. The most important part is to keep it clean before we actually get to work on it, and then that way you can tell if there's any more imperfections. You don't want to go ahead and start working on it and then later on you're going to find something that you didn't spot. So we're about to spray some base coat. We already color matched it to make sure that the color meets the Tesla wheels. We're about to spray the areas that we already sanded, and then after that we're just going to go ahead and add some polyurethane, which is the clear coat. So we just finished up the repair on this Tesla. At this point, we already went through all the steps, which was the sanding, the base coat, and the clear coat at the end. We're now just waiting for it to dry, and we don't recommend the customer to drive it within an hour or two, just in case that they were to get any dirt or any water on their rims as they're driving around. At this point, since we're just waiting for it to dry, we're just really excited to show the customer our work.